Good day to you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Marisa Pitaliar. I'm 41 years old. I'm married, blessed with one kid. My height is 148 centimeters. My weight is 58 kilograms. I work in Hong Kong for 3 years and 5 months. My main duties is cooking Chinese food, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and cleaning the house and make it clean and tidy. I also work in Kuwait way back 2017 to 2019. My main duties is cooking Arabic food, cleaning the house, ironing clothes, washing clothes, and watch the three kids out, taking care of the three kids. I don't smoke, I don't I don't drink alcohol, and I don't have tattoo.